Hi, my name is Kevin Oakley. I was a Chef Andrew Scholar from 2022 to 2023. I graduated from the University of Miami this past spring in 2024. After my time with Chef Andrew, I interned for Miami-Dade County in their Office of Resilience. I was the Vice President of the Environmental Science Honor Society at the University of Miami, and now I work as an environmental scientist for an engineering company here in South Florida. So I'm part of the team that helps oversee the environmental compliance efforts for huge infrastructure projects such as this one. We help maintain all of their environmental permitting and also devise and help them maintain stormwater pollution prevention plans. In other words, we help them adhere to environmental legislation by making sure their perimeter controls are intact and functional, also making sure their inlets are protected from sediments, ensuring the outfall protections are in place, in addition to so many other things like tree protections and chemical containment. So basically, we want to keep all the sediments and dirty stuff from the construction site within the confines of the construction site, even in the event of heavy rain, which is especially important when it comes to coastal construction sites, so we can prevent turbid discharges going into Biscayne Bay. And while it's so fun to be in the field and all, most of my job takes place here at a desk. And even in this kind of day-to-day work, I still find myself using so many organizational tools and administrative skills that I learned during my time as a Chef Andrew Scholar with DFO. My experience as a Chef Andrew Scholar allowed me to develop the tools that I needed to be able to graduate college and immediately jump into what I love. I wouldn't have enough time in one video to say how much the Chef Andrew program has meant to me, what it has done for my career, and the opportunities it gave me with being able to interact with so many different communities and meeting so many amazing people.